How to clean the air conditioner. Turn off the circuit breaker to cut power. Clean air conditioner, turn off circuit breaker, power. Open the front panel to remove the air filter. Wash the air filter with soap and water. Front panel, remove, filter, wash, soap. Use screwdriver to remove the cover. Spray cleaner on the condenser coils. Use a brush or a cloth to clean the fins on the coils. Rinse it off with water or a wet cloth to remove debris. Screwdriver, spray, condenser coils, brush, fin, rinse, debris. Check the drain pan and drain line for any clogs. Wipe down the exterior. Put the cover and the air filter back. Turn on the power. Drain pan, clog, wipe down, exterior, turn on.